Welcome to the Tech from X channel. American action camera manufacturer GoPro has unveiled the Hero 10 Black Bones, a simplified version of the Hero 10 Black camera designed for the Cinewhoop FPV drones that have become popular of late. The new camera shoots video in 5.3K resolution and supports Hyper-Smooth 4.0, but the gadget is light enough to be installed on quadcopters. The company said the Hero 10 Black Bones weighs just 54 grams, 100 grams less than the regular Hero 10 Black, making it the lightest GoPro camera ever. The weight of the gadget was reduced due to the lack of a battery. The camera is powered by 2S to 6S or 5 to 27 volts batteries, which is attached to the drone. Technically, the new Bones camera is no different from the regular Hero 10 Black. It is equipped with the same GP2 processor and offers the same hyper-smooth and real steady stabilization. The GoPro Hero 10 Black Bones will go on sale soon for $500. And that's all for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!